Rachel, and today I'm back with a video that I know some of you have been waiting for, because I've had a couple of messages saying, have you unboxed that advent calendar yet? Well, we're going to do it today. We are going to unbox my Josephine Bow Designs 2020 advent calendar. So just a quick disclaimer, it is not December yet. It is November the 23rd today. I am going to be opening this fully and getting everything out, and you will see all of the days. So that is a spoiler alert for you. If you don't want to know what's in this advent calendar, then click off this video now. But yeah, I'm going to get it out. And also I'm on the PR team for Josephine Bow Designs, but I have no idea what is in here at all, so it is just as much of a surprise as to me when I open it. So that is enough rambling. Let's get this bad boy open. So instantly you can see that it's beautifully boxed. We've got a little ribbon around here that I'm thinking I'm going to make into some kind of planner band. Let's just get that off carefully and save it. There we go. Yeah, I can definitely do something with that. Right, so oh, now it's going to stick to my background. Let me just get this out of the box and move the box aside so that it doesn't stick to the background. There we go. So, beautifully packaged, as I think you will agree. We've got a Josephine Bow Designs bow on here, and it's holographic. I'm going to slide it out so that I don't ruin that bow, because I'm going to try and save it. Oh my gosh! It's got my name on it! Oh, I'm sorry guys, there's going to be a lot of like whooping and a lot of noises. So we get one of the cute little cards that you always get in your order from Josephine Bow Designs. It's in a cute little pouch with my name on it. Oh my goodness. I already know this is going to be epic. Just an FYI as well, if you wanted to go back and watch last year, so if you wanted to watch 2019's, I did buy it last year and I did do an unboxing. Or if you can't be bothered watching all of that, there are pictures on my Instagram of each day's surprise. I just want to get them out carefully. I don't want to ruin this packaging. These little bags are cute as well. Right, there we go. So I'll just put them back in the correct order, like so. So we have got 24 cute little baggies with the little Josephine Bow Design signature stripes and these really cute little stickers, which is adorable. Right, so let's stop rambling. So this is the pencil case. It's a really nice shade of grey. It's got my name vinyl on it, and it's so fancy. I love that so much. I love having things with my name on it. You know that so much. Right, so let's move those to the side and we will start with number 1. I want to open them really carefully. I don't want to ruin the bags. So in the first pocket we have got, oh, a January calendar, which is really handy. I was looking for these for my Stalogy setup, and then it looks like we've got a little die cut in the back there that you can see as well. So that's like a galaxy gem. If that's the theme for this, I don't know if there's a theme for it, but if that is the theme for it, I'm going to be so super happy. Last year's was a galaxy theme, like a stars, and almost similar to the Titania design, which was really popular and one of my favourite designs. So we've got day number 2 here, and we have got, oh my goodness, the most gorgeous foiled boxes. Oh, I love them. I love them. Day number 3, I think I can see through there what's in here. I know I love them. So we have got, in day number 3, we have got some icons, some transparent icons. I'm a big fan of transparent icons, I love them. We have got day number 4, oh, and number 5 sneaked in underneath. Oh, okay, so we've got a vinyl that is going on my Stalogy for sure. That is gorgeous. Number 5. I'm so excited, I don't have any words. I'm like, yay. So we have got day number 5. We have got some script stickers. They're gorgeous. They've got little accents of holographic foil, and I love how the writing at the top is black, and they've got a bit of colour in the bottom word. That's so cute. Move on to day number 6. I'm going to try and open these a bit faster, so this isn't the longest video in the world. Oh, we've got some foil overlays. I love these. Holographic foil, absolutely gorgeous. Day number 7. I'll put all of these on my Instagram as well over December, each one on the right day, so you'll get to see them again. Oh, the most beautiful date covers. So another thing that I should note is that when you bought this advent calendar, you got the choice to get it in Hobonichi Weeks size or in standard vertical size. Last year I went for Hobonichi Weeks, and this year, just for a change, I thought that I would go for standard vertical. So I presume then that as I got these, everybody else that ordered Hobonichi Weeks would have got the Hobonichi size date covers, which is so cool. So yeah, we have got number 8 here, and we have got some transparent, they are transparent. Oh, these are handy. Some like transparent shapes and dots and things. They're very popular at the moment, those types of things, aren't they? We have got day number 9. This one felt like a big one. Let's have a little look. I'm just chuffed with the pouch that's got my name on it. I can't get over that. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Tabs. Oh, I love tabs. Oh, tabs are my favourite. And look at the overlay on it as well. Oh, these are going in my Stalogy. Oh, they're amazing. And we have also got the little transparent words as well that you can put over them. They are perfect. You're going to see so much of this stuff in my Stalogy setup. Will you be cross with me if I use it before I'm supposed to? Please don't be cross with me. I'm going to do that. I'm sorry. We've got day number 10. Was this? Day number 10. And we have got, oh, some good, oh, I love these in the middle. Paint stripes and long page flags and quarter boxes. They're stunning. And then we have got day number 11. And we've got the monthly stickers. Oh, these are really cute. Again, we've got the black words and then the coloured accent as well, which is really nice. And look at the little heart. That's so adorable. Then we've got day number 12. Oh, it's a kit. It's a kit. It's a kit. I think it's a kit. It's a mini kit. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Look at the colours. This is going to be perfect in my print impression weeks or in my Stalogy. Oh, the colours on that are absolutely gorgeous. So you've got everything you need there. You've got the date covers, weekend banner, a couple of little trackery bits, and then we've got some decoration boxes and some functional boxes as well. Oh, I love that. I forgot that we got kits in it. We got kits in the one last year as well, and I love those. Let's move on to day number 13. We have got some, oh, some order place stickers. They're cute. Happy Mail stickers and just some stickers like Plan Next Week, Shopping Spree, Happy Mail Delivery. I love those. Let's move on to day number 14. Did I miss a day? No, I didn't. Day number 14, and we have got, ooh, some page flags. How pretty are those? I am really loving this colour scheme that we've got going on. And this sort of reminds me of like Diwali. I think we've just had that that festival, and that's really giving me those vibes. I love it so much. It's beautiful. Then we have got number 15. Oh, I'm so chuffed with this. Last year's was absolutely incredible. Like I said, you can find that video on my channel if you search for it. And I didn't think that this year's was going to be able to surpass that, but it's just gorgeous. I love it so much. So we've got some memo boxes and a couple of sort of washi strip boxes down here. And then we've got day number 16. Oh, and number 17's creeped in. It's not your turn yet. Oh, I ripped that one. I was trying to save them, but I can't. So we've got some overlay headers there. Yeah, overlay headers. They are beautiful. And then number 17. I can see their tabs. I think these are tabs. Oh, tabs are my favourite thing. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I've always been obsessed with tabs from Josephine Bow Design. I kept finding myself buying them over and over again. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. Oh, this colour is so gorgeous. Ah. They are so gorgeous. Day number 18. And we have got some beautiful weekend banners. Oh, that one at the bottom is beautiful. As you can see as well, I don't even need to say it, the foiling is immaculate. It always is on everything from Josephine Bow Designs. I love it so much. Number 19. We're getting there, we're getting to the end. This might be a really quick video because I've just been so excited to, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, this is like the shooting star, I think. Have I got it in my... I'm wondering if I've got it in my Hobonichi at the moment, but we've got the pastel version of the shooting star from Josephine Bow Designs. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to put that in. And then we've got number 20. Oh, I like these already. Little black checklists. We've got hearts, dots, stars, and little sort of arrows. They are really, really functional. I love those. Then we've got number 21. And we have got some script stickers. Oh, I like these as well. I love this font. You see this font quite a bit on Josephine Bow Designs things, and I love it so much. I love this as well. I love that as well, like, don't get me wrong, but that's my favourite, and I love that, and then I love that as well. So we've got some really handy script stickers there. Love those. We have got here day number 22. Oh, and we've got some headers. Oh, they're gorgeous. Love them. Day number 23. I'm getting excited for the last day. Oh, what's in here? Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, and my name on a little die cut with the cute little hanging sort of, what do you call them? Garlands, hanging garlands. Oh, that's stunning. And then we have got the last date, which is day number 24. Oh, we've got another full kit. Oh my goodness. Another little mini kit. Oh, the colours again are so gorgeous. Look at this box. So this one is in silver foil, and I think that was the perfect choice for this. These colours are gorgeous and complement it so well. So we've got the same setup. We've got the date covers, the weekend banners, some functional bits and pieces trackers here. We have got some deco boxes and some functional boxes there. So that was so gorgeous. That was day number 24. So that is the whole advent calendar ripped into. I know there'll be some people who are like, oh my god, I can't believe you opened it early. I'm really sorry. I'm not. I'm not, but yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed looking through that. Do go and have a look at last year's as well, so you can have a look what came in that one. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to put my bits and pieces in here. This is going to be my new pencil case in my planner cart, which, by the way, I will be doing another tour of soon. So yeah, if you like this video, oh wait a minute, I wanted to say to you, if you have ordered the Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar and you've opened it early, or you've just had a look at my video, let me know below what you thought of it. And if you watched last year's as well, let me know which one was your favourite. It's going to be really hard to choose. I loved them both. But yeah, I hope you're all safe and well. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end if you did. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!